Hello from Slovenia again. This is my second painting since I came back from Pennsylvania from my exhibition. I'm still on a cloud 5 or something. It was really nice experience. But I went to the studio. I want to paint something. I want to share something with you, but I did it in silence. Just want to have a peace of mind and be with myself and paint. That's why I'm doing voiceover. And the colors that I'm using today are it's Prussian blue, it's turquoise blue, it's some white 24K gold, a nickel yellow by Amsterdam, and some mica, I don't know, coral color. No, this is sapphire, it's no Prussian blue. It's a metallic sapphire blue, the darker one. So I layered them, did a straight pour, rack it for the feathery effect, or how can I say? But in the middle, I kind of thought that just composition is not right, so I ended up tilting off a lot of the paint, and the color scheme totally changed at the end, or how can I say? You will see if you will watch till the end, and please do. It helps my algorithms if you watch the video through, not just, a little bit. So thank you if you are doing that. So yeah, but even though it turned out totally different that I envisioned, I really love this painting. So yeah, come with me on this journey and tell me in the comments what you think about it. Here she is dry, and I'm really happy with this painting. I like the movement, I like this transparency on the bottom and some muted colors here and some more of the detail part here with the featherings. I think that it turned out gorgeous. I like it. So yeah, it was a quick little video to get back into the groove, or how can I say. So yeah, like it. Thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye.